So initial thoughts, it's a pretty long driveway, right?
It is.
Yeah. But one of the biggest allures to the Hollywood Hills is definitely the views.
Yeah.
So sometimes you have to go up a big giant driveway to get those views, right?
Sure.
All right, let's go. Oh yeah, for sure. That is beautiful. Ooh. Okay. Definitely envision living here. Love, here you go.
Hey,
My lady.
let's switch.
Oh wow, you're already carrying some weight, as you can see.
Amazing.
What do you think, love? Could you work from this office space?
For sure.
With this view?
Might just add a little bit more feminine touch.
Oh, a little feminine touch, she says. Yeah, it's a lot of blacks and golds.
Yeah.
It's a lot of masculine touches.
That's okay.
That's okay, yeah.
Do not enter.
This is kind of cute though. This is pretty feminine. What do you think of this
That's much
bathroom? This is a little better?
Better.
Better. Look at this. This is like a home gym space right here. Well, home gym or you park a bunch of supercars here. Ferrari, Lamborghini, Pagani. Or it could be a play area too for kids maybe.
True.
Or dogs. Wow. This is nice. I like this.
Mm.
It's definitely like an entertaining house.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that it's a family house. Every time I'm in a Hollywood Hills house, I just also think that it would be a great house for a bunch of influencers to rent, because that's what they do. They take a house, oh, it's $30,000, but then there's, you know, 6 of them. They're like, oh, we all pay $5 grand. And they just live there, make a ton of content, like they own it. And they're signed, sealed, delivered.
Very true.
If you're gonna do it, this is the room you do it with. With this pool right here.